Hello everyone, I'm Jeri Meola and I'm here at Feldmann Imports. I'm having a wonderful cup of coffee. At the same time, I'm buying on my lease on my 2019 Mercedes car. So I've been with Feldmann Imports for years. This is probably my fourth car here at Feldmann, and they've never done me wrong. So if you're looking for a place that, everybody says I want to be able to trust them, it's more than just trust at Feldmann, else I wouldn't be here again. They treat you with respect, they listen well. I've always worked with the same individuals, John and my favorite service advisor, John and Chor over in the finance department. So that tells you a little bit about the continuity of the people and the type of environment they give people. So I probably have been here for the last, I want to say 10 plus years. It's more than having a Mercedes. It is truly about the people and that experience. A car is a car, but it's everything that surrounds it that means the most to me. And of all the dealerships I've ever been with, this by far has been the one that means the most to me. This is Jeri Meola. If you want a good cup of coffee, come on in.